Hey guys, this is the video notes for Unit 7. We're finished with Unit 6 and now we're going to start Unit 7. We'll have a test over both units together. Here we go. This is functions, so 8.5G. We're going to identify functions using sets of ordered pairs, tables, this one's new, mappings, and graphs. So the main thing to remember here is this. The x never repeats. Okay, that's because a function is a relation where every input has exactly one output. Okay, and this is how it's going to look. So I'll do the function examples on this side, the not a function examples on that side. So the first we have is ordered pair. And you know what these are. So if it's a function, so we have functions over here, and then we have not. Okay. So this is an example of a function. It would be like 1 and 2, x is 1, y is 2, x is 2, y is 2, that's fine. X is 3, y is 2, and x is 4, y is 2. It doesn't matter if the y's repeat. It's the x that can never repeat. So not a function would look like this. Let's say you have 1 and 4, 2 and 5, and 1 and 6. The 1s are repeating, so the x's can't repeat. Okay? So we're just looking at this stuff in this unit. Tables. So if you have, we'll do 2 examples. We have an x here, we have a y here. So based on this up here, we have x, y, x, y, x, y, x, and y. And that works, because it doesn't matter if the y repeats. Let's do a different one though that doesn't have repeating y's. Let's do 1 and 4, 2 and 7, 3 and 8, and 4 and -2. Those do not repeat. This doesn't repeat, so it's a function as well. So over here, an example of a non-function would be this, x and y, And we have 1 and 4. We'll just use the same one. 2 and 5. And 1 and 6. So if it's in a table form, the x's can't repeat. That's it. This new one is a mappings. It's going to look like this. They'll have your input here, which is your x, and your output here, which is your y. And for it to be a function, let's draw. They're going to have like ovals around the numbers. And then they're going to draw arrows from the input to the output. And since just one input's going to the output, that's a function. This is not a function on this side. And I'm going to put the y's. So let's say we have -5, -2, 1, and 5. And over here, we have a 3 and a 4. And they're going to put the ovals or circles or whatever they are around it. And then they're going to draw the arrows. So 3 goes with -5, and 3 also goes with -2. 4 goes with 1, and 4 also goes with 5. So that means the 3 repeats, because the ordered pair is 3 and -5 and 3 and -2. So this is not a function. The 4 also repeats, 4 and 1 and 4 and 5. And the last one is graphs. And you will use the vertical line test. And that means if you can draw a vertical line through the graph, and it touches or passes through and touches the line more than once, it is not a function. And here's what that looks like. So if we have our normal graph and you see something drawn on it like our normal lines, if we do vertical lines down it, you're going to see that it's only going to pass one time. So this, yes, is a function. If you have an example like this, and you have something that's drawn, let's say like this, and you do your vertical line test, you're going to see that it hits here and here. That means the x's are repeating. So this is not a function. And that is it. We did it, guys. Awesome. These notes will help you do the assignments for functions, and that'll do it, guys. Thank you for watching.